Ever wonder how clean your floors really are?
You've tried the old school broom, the not so handy mop, maybe even a robot vacuum that promises a lot but delivers too little. Introducing Narwal, the world's first self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop with the most advanced navigation. First off, Narwal takes care of vacuuming up pretty much anything off your floors. But the magic actually starts with the mopping. Other robot cleaners that claim to mop only sweep the floor. Narwal has reinvented the mop. It has rounded triangular mops that press down on the floor and rotate to really clean away those stubborn stains. Narwal mops clean 3 times as efficiently versus other robot cleaners. Other robot cleaners clean the floor, and then you have to clean them. Defeats the purpose, if you ask me. Narwal is totally self-clean. It automatically returns to the base station to clean, wash, and dry itself multiple times during mopping. And when the mopping is done, Narwal keeps the mop dry and clean with its ventilation system. Most robot cleaners require remapping every time you use them, but Narwal's home layout map can be used repeatedly once created. The map is created with the help of LiDAR technology. You know, what they use in driverless cars. Narwal also avoids secondary contamination by making sure it doesn't pass over the spaces it's already mopped. You can even customize its cleaning strategy for different rooms and floors, like choosing which rooms to clean, in which order, how many times to clean, the type of floor, and it creates cleaning reports for you after it's done cleaning. Narwal is also ultra quiet. You'll almost forget it's there. With its awesome sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping tech, Narwal will make you wish you'd found it sooner.
The second generation of robotic vacuum cleaners from Miele achieves a first-class cleaning performance. Quattro cleaning power makes the Miele Scout RX2 particularly powerful. The new corner brushes sweep dust reliably below the unit. These fan-shaped side brushes can reach along edges easily and ensure particularly thorough cleaning in corners. When the Scout RX2 encounters an obstacle, the flexible side arms are simply retracted to prevent the unit from getting caught. The specially developed roller brush collects coarse dirt particles and fibers with a combination of dense bristles and rubber lips. Behind the roller brush is another suction area. This narrow opening is in close contact with the floor and picks up even the finest of dirt particles thanks to the high suction power. This high suction power comes from the high speed of the brushless power motor, which is particularly efficient and durable. With Quattro cleaning power, which consists of side brushes, roller brush, suction aperture and motor, the Scout RX2 cleans extremely powerfully. This is supported by the floor covering detection system. The Scout RX2 detects carpets and cleans them with maximum power. With the perfect combination of Quattro cleaning power and floor covering detection, the Scout RX2 achieves a first-class cleaning performance on both hard floors and carpets. The Miele Scout RX2, powerful, intelligent, progressive.
MIRAVAC is the perfect balance of quality engineering and affordability to bring your home into the modern generation of daily cleaning techniques. We have created our device to include everything needed from a robot vacuum. MIRAVAC cleans on a controlled schedule that you set however you want. It fits under the small spaces, in between the tight areas, and captures the dust and crumbs that might have never been noticed. Using a variety of movement patterns, you can help set MIRAVAC to the best pattern for you and your home to ensure that the entire area is clean the way you want it to be. MIRAVAC hosts one of the most powerful motors on the market for reliable suction on tough areas and a consistent performance. After it's done with its cycle, MIRAVAC returns itself to its dock where it can stay out of the way and charge for the next cleaning. The dust tray holds enough space for the entire room and is easily cleaned out. The system has easy-to-reach controls on the device, the dock, and its own remote control. You can control schedules, motor power, movement patterns, or even control it manually. We designed this to be the ultimate in home cleaning technology. You can use your MIRAVAC on all home floor surfaces to keep your home looking fresh every day. Sit back and enjoy a clean home while the technology does the work. We designed 2 models for the campaign release. While they are based on the same design, they each have unique features that make them special. It has taken a little while to get us here, but we are now proud to bring MIRAVAC to the world. Check out our crowdfunding campaign and see how you can get this piece of home tech at a great price with our exclusive campaign deals. Start keeping your home feeling fresh every day with the power of MIRAVAC. MIRAVAC, cleaning solutions for your peace of mind.